This is T2025B audio amplifier board. This board is used in portable radios, cassette players, etc. The pin count of this IC is start below from the dot or notch and then count the pins counterclockwise. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. From the back side of the circuit, the pin count are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here, pin number 16 is power supply, VCC. You can give supply from 3 to 12 volt. In 12 volt supply you can get the maximum output from this audio board. In pin number 4, 5, 12, 13 is ground pin. You can use capacitor's negative terminals as ground connection for power, audio input and output. Pin number 7 and 10 is audio input pin. In my case, this amplifier board is in bridge mode, so I can use only left or right channel as audio input. Pin number 2 and 15 is for audio output. Here you can connect speakers. Track the circuit print. See, here you can connect speaker. Let's do the connections and test this amplifier board. Connect wires in pin number 16, VCC, for power input. For power ground, track the circuit point, which is connected to pin number 4, 5, 12, 13. Now connect wires for speaker, in pin number 2 and 15 for audio output connection. Track the circuit from the IC pin 2 and 15 and connect the wires. In my case, I can use a 4 ohm, 10 watt speaker. Now, connect wires for audio input connection, in pin number 7 and 10. In my case, this amplifier board is in bridge mode, so I can use only left or right channel as audio input. Track the circuit print. See, here is APF capacitor. Connect any audio channel, right or left here. I can use an AUX cable for audio input. For audio ground connection, use any capacitor negative terminal as ground, or You can use any circuit point, connected in IC ground pin 4, 5, 12, 13, as audio input ground. Let's connect the power supply with the amplifier. I can use a 3.7 volt battery as a power supply. Let's test this amplifier by playing a song.